Good morning, children. See, children, in our last class we have discussed about the singulars and plurals. What is a noun, children? Name of anything. What we have discussed, noun is the name of anything. And a singular noun means only one thing, Nana. Singular noun means only one thing. And a plural noun means more than one thing. I have discussed a few singulars and plurals with you. Once again, have a look on the singular and the plurals. Arm, plural what, Nana? Arms. Apple, apples. Bag, bags. Ball, balls. Book, books. Dog, dogs. Donkey, donkeys. Hen, hens. Horse, horses. Monkey, monkeys. Pen, pens. Rat, rats. Road, roads. Sister, sisters. Table, tables. Teacher, teachers. Tree, trees. Wall, walls. Bench, benches. Box, boxes. Branch, branches. Class, classes. Dish, dishes. Match, matches. Watch, watches. Bus, buses. Baby, babies. Body, bodies. City, cities. Copy, copies. Fly, flies. Lady, ladies. Child, children. Foot, feet. Man, men. Women, women. Mouse, mice. Ox, oxen. Teeth, teeth. Tooth, teeth. Thief, thieves. Tomato, tomatoes. Negro, negroes. Potato, potatoes. Mosquito, mosquitoes. See, children, and we have discussed how to write the plural form into singular form into the plural form and plural to singular. See, children, suppose they have given you what we are discussing topic, Nana, singular and plural. Sorry, children, singular and plural. See, Nana, the topic which we are discussing, singular and plural. Suppose this is a statement. These are oranges. These are oranges. I told you, Nana, this plural, what we can give? These. That plural, what we can give? Those. Okay. Is a plural. Are. Was a plural. Were. So, keeping these things in your mind, you can easily change the singular into the plural, plural into the singular. Now they gave these. What we can write the singular for these? This. And what is the singular for are? Is. This is oranges, means orange, an orange, singular orange. This is an orange. Okay, in this way we can easily change plural into the singular. Next our these are, T-H-E-S-E, these are balls, B-A-L-L-S, balls. Now these plural what, Nana? This. Are plural is. Balls plural ball. This is a ball. Coming to the next one, children. These are flies. Suppose they gave these. You have to write this. Are plural is. Flies, a fly. Okay. So whenever they give this, these, you have to write the singular this. And now just we are going to discuss the statements with those. What we are going to discuss? Those. If there is given to you those in the statement, then what you will do? Suppose our first statement, children, those are hens. Hens. Okay. Those ki singular aim, Nana. What is the singular for those? That. What is the singular for are? Is. Hen. A. That is a hen. Next nana, those are books. Okay, suppose this is given to you, those are books. Those singular word what? That. Are singular word what? Is. A book. That is a book. So in this way I am writing the plural form into the singular form, nana. Next one, those are oxen. Those are oxen. What is the singular form for those, nana? That. What is the singular form for are, nana? Is. That is an ox. That is an ox. So in this way I have given you how to write the plural statement into the singular. And singular to plural already we have discussed, children. You have to be very careful when you are changing the statements. And before to that already I have told to you about the alphabetical order. Don't forget the order, nana. Today we are going to just start the new topic, children. That is he words or she words. Okay, singular plural we have finished now. Now let us start one more topic. Singular, he words, she words, or masculine, feminine. He words and she words. అబ్బాయిలు అమ్మాయిలు, అవునా? he అంటే ఎవరమ్మా? బాయ్స్. she అంటే girls. or masculine, feminine. Masculine and feminine. Masculine and feminine. These are the nouns which we are going to learn today. Masculine means male, male, he words. Feminine means she words. Okay, masculine and feminine, he, she. Now I'll write some he words and some she words. He ante abbayilandaru he, she ante ammayilandaru, boy, girl, brother, sister, father, mother, husband, wife. So I am giving some he words and she words. Boy is a he word. What is the she word? Girl. Very good. If I'll say sir, what is the she word? Madam. If I'll say uncle, what is the she word? Aunt. If I'll say father, what is the she word, nana? Mother. Okay, father, mother. Next, if I'll say husband, what is the she word? Wife. Now see, nana, he, she. Now these are all he words and these all are she words to you given on the board. Boy, girl, sir, madam, uncle, aunt, father, mother, husband, wife. Next, children, king, queen, king, queen, nephew, niece. Okay, son, daughter, cock, hen. So in this way I have given you he words and she words. All the masculine genders are known as he words, or he words are known as masculine, and all the female she words are known as feminine, or you can say she words. Now once revise, in your textbook also given to you, children, he words and she words. See, boy, girl, brother, sister, cock, hen, father, mother, husband, wife, king, queen, man, women. I did not write man, women. Man, women. Okay, I'll revise from the board. It's very easy. Boy, girl, Sir, madam, uncle, aunt, father, mother, husband, wife, king, queen, nephew, niece, son, ter, daughter, son, daughter, cock, hen, man, women. Okay. So I'll give you few she words, Nana. Try few she words you have to write. I'll give only he words. I'll write few he words. You have to give the she word for the given he words. How to write in your double rule? Just I'll try today to write on the double rules. This is the first Roman regarding the topic, Nana. He word and the she word. They gave first he word son. What will be our she word? Daughter. Very good. In this way you have to write. Next our he word, Nana. Father. What is our she word? Mother. Okay. Next our brother. He word brother. What is our she word, Nana? Sister. Next they gave man. He word. What is the she word? Women. Okay. Next, Nana, they gave ox. What is the she word, Nana? Cow. Ox, cow. Okay. Next, they gave king. What is the she word, Nana? Queen. Whenever you are writing, Nana, in the notebook, you have to be very careful. See how I wrote son, daughter, father, mother. They gave here he word and I gave the she word. Next Roman, they will give the she word. We have to write the he word. Before to that, once see, Nana, son, daughter, father, mother, brother, sister, man, women, ox, cow, king, queen. Okay, what is again read? Son, daughter, father, mother, brother, sister, man, women, ox, cow, king, queen. Now I will give you the she words, Nana. Write down the he words for the given she words. Now I am giving the he words. Sorry, she words. You give he words to me. Okay. Aunt, hen, very easy. Girl, very easy. Niece, very easy. Princess, very easy. Wife. Okay, I'll conclude the class today up to here, children. Okay, once see, Nana. Aunt. What is the keyword for aunt, Nana? Uncle. Aunt, keyword uncle. Hen, keyword cock. Hen, keyword here I am writing she to he. I am giving she to he. Girl, boy. Nice, nephew. Okay, princess, prince, princess, prince, wife, husband. Okay, children, once again revise. Aunt, uncle, hen, cock, girl, boy, niece, nephew, princess, prince, wife, husband. So in this way, today we have started a new topic, Nana. What is that? He words and she words, or you can define as a masculine and feminine. All the male nouns, all the he words are known as the masculine gender whereas all the female nouns, or you can say she words, are known as the feminine. And we have learnt few feminines and masculines, he words and she words, boy, girl, brother, sister, cock, hen, father, mother, husband, wife, king, queen, man, women, nephew, niece, ox, cow, prince, princess, son, daughter, uncle, aunt. Okay, tomorrow we will learn, children, how to change the statements into the his, he words to the she words. Rewrite the following sentences changing he to words to she words. Okay, tomorrow we will discuss again about that topic. Have a nice day, all of you.